In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed your brakes on your Kia Soul. Clean and inspect your cap. It should say what type of brake fluid this vehicle takes. It says .3 or 4. Take out your filter. And we're going to siphon out the old fluid. I'm using this tool. There's a few out there. It'll work just fine. Get as much out as possible. That looks like all the fluid we can reach. So let's put our filter back in. I'm going to fill this up to max. There's a line on the side that says it. There we are. There's a line on this side and also on this side to show you where max is. Now you can put your cap back on. To bleed the brakes on this Kia Soul, you're going to start in the right rear, then move to the left front, the left rear, and then the right front. Here we are at the right rear. I have somebody in the car pumping up the brake for me, and he's going to help me bleed the brakes. So I'm going to take my cap off my bleeder. I have something to catch my fluid. You can use a drip tray below, or you can use something like this. All right, pump them up, please. He's holding. I'm going to use an 11mm line wrench to crack open our bleeder. It's to the floor. I'm going to close it down. We're looking for air bubbles going down. And when there's no air bubbles, we're going to move on to the next wheel. Pump it up. He's holding. Loosen the bleeder. It's to the floor. Close the bleeder. Pump it up. He's holding. It's to the floor. I'm going to close it. I think that's good for this side. So we're going to clean the area and put our cap back on. And now we're going to move to the left front. Now we're at the left front. We're going to take our cap off. Using a 10mm wrench. We're getting ready to crack open our bleeder. I got my buddy in the car. Pump it up, please. He's holding. To the floor. Close that down. Pump it up, please. To the floor. Close it up. Pump it. He's holding. I'm just going to get the residual fluid out of here so I can see the air bubbles. You holding? It's to the floor. Pump it up again. He's holding. Okay. Tighten that bleeder. I'm not seeing any more air, so I'm going to clean the area. Now we're going to go to our master and top it off, make sure it's at max. And then we're going to go to our left rear and bleed it the same way we did number 1, or right rear. After we do that, we're going to move to our last wheel, which is the right front. And we're going to bleed that the same way we bled the left front. And then at the end, we're going to top off our master cylinder with brake fluid. Now that we've bled our brakes, we're going to top off the brake fluid. Make sure it's at max. Put your cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.